Hey guys, this is Frank. In this video, I will show you how to create the AI avatar application with the NavTalk NPM package. I already have a whole bunch of sample talk about how to use the JavaScript, the view, but we never talk about how to use the NPM package to do that. So this video, I will show you how to do this from very beginning. Let's go to the NPM website and search the NavTalk. You will get this one, and you could follow this instruction to create your application step by step. Okay, let me show you how to do that. First of all, let's create a folder, say my test. Now let's go to command line. Let's create a project from a template. So let's say pm create. I use wait. Create the my test demo. Okay. Now it will ask you pick up the framework. You could use the Vue, you could use the Banana, you could use the React. So any popular one you could find here. So right now I just use the Banana. So let's use the TypeScript. Pick yes. Now it's initialize the project. Okay, it's running. So let's open this one. So yeah, that's just a template. Let's do some change for this one. Let's open your Visual Studio Code. Let's resize this a little bit. Okay, let's open the file. Let's drag the file. Let's open this again. Now let's trust. Okay, let's stop the command line. I don't need to use this one since I use the Visual Studio Code. So let me refresh this one. Okay, so it's not accessible, which is right. Now let's run from here. So npm run there. Okay, let's open it. Now it's working. Now let's remove the default stuff. I don't need this default stuff. Let's go to the index. So we use this one. Let's go to the main page. We don't need this anymore. We only need one stuff over here. We don't need this anymore. So let's refresh the page. Yeah, it's working. Now let's install the package. So let's follow the instruction over here. Just copy this one and go back to here. Now install the package. Okay, now let's import the package. Let's use this one. Okay, now let's add something, add the components over here. So just use code over. So basically this will return the components to the main page. So I don't need this anymore. So open this one. Okay, let's put the license. Okay, go to get your license. Go here. Go your project. Pick up your project. I use this one. So just copy this one. Now let's put it over here. The next one you need to pick up your character name. So go back to your avatar. I will pick up on this one. So just copy the name, or you could go to the setting, copy the name, copy this one, or copy the ID. Right now, just copy the name. Maybe it's easier. Yeah, copy it here. Now everything should work. So there's only one line of code. Just add the license, add the character. That should work. So let's go back to the test page. Let's refresh this one. Let's run this one. Let's run npm run dev. Okay. Now it will automatically refresh. Now let's do a try. Hey, could you tell me a story?
Of course. I'd be happy to tell you a story. Would you like a story that's adventurous, mysterious, or something else?
Could you tell me what's the population of United States?
Sure. As of the most recent estimates, the population of the United States is
Cool. What are you doing? What do you do?
I'm here to help you with any questions or information you need. I can provide details, explanations, support, and even stories. Let me know what you're interested in, and I'll do my best to assist.
Okay, thank you. Bye. Yeah, it looks very good. So you don't need to even specify the prompt. If you want to specify the prompt, you could just go here, go the console, to go to the editing, the setting. You could put your prompt over here, the first message here. So which is very convenient. You don't need to do any change for your front end code. If you want to support the function call, you could go over here, go to the, let's go back to npm, go back to the instruction. Okay, so here is the way you could set up the function call. You just follow this one, put the code over here, you will get the function call working. And for the layout, you could easily change the position. Like if I want to change this to the center or to somewhere, I can easy to say, like say 200 or something. Yeah, it will immediately change. Yeah, it's very convenient. Okay. Yeah, I think that is how the NPM package work with the NavTalk API. So this will be very convenient. You don't need to write a whole bunch of the code. You don't need to understand the WebRTC, the WebSocket. Just use this component. You will have everything there. This will keep your code very clean. Yeah, I think that pretty much all. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Bye.